So guys, just wanted to show you the way I made the color sweep effect. So basically, just patch some fixtures, go to color, just record an empty color somewhere, clear it out, unlink palette, and then we go again group, colors, we copy all the colors in the execute page, just a copy of the group of lights as well, and then copy the soft palette that we just made in here. Sorry, select the group first. And then what you want to do is make this a link, and that's set the whole thing in a region. After that, we need to control just the intensity alone. So we rec the intensity and the color. Okay. So now, if we turn on the lights, everything works as expected. Then to make the sweep effect, I just went with 4 on fun number of parts for the selection. Then went to color. Let's say just pick one color just to demonstrate. Then put a delay time of 0.5. Okay, and then shift record color, and just save it directly to the execute window. So now when we turn on the lights, they work as expected, but when we activate what we just recorded, it will do the swipes. And I have a pre-recorded position just for a better viewing angle. So basically when you turn it off, it will just change color, and when you activate it, it will swipe from left to right. You can do the same thing, for example, if you want to do in reverse. So okay, group, selection, reversed, and just do again the number of parts to 4. Let's go color. Okay, so shift record color. So now when we use the first one, it goes from left to right, and then when we use the second one, it goes from right to left. Basically you can play around with it, but I made it this way so there is no need to keep making different kind of groups, and you can do it on the fly with fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye.